core dump consists of the recorded state of the working memory of a computer program at a specific time, generally when the program has crashed or otherwise terminated abnormally. The name comes from the magnetic core memory, the principal form of random access memory from the 50s to the 70s. The name has remained long after the magnetic core technology became obsolete. Modern operating systems typically generate a file containing an image of memory belonging to the crashed process. All the memory images of parts of the address space related to that process, along with other information such as the values of process registers, program counter, system flags, and other information useful for determining the root case of the crash. Those files can be viewed as text, printed or analyzed with specialized tools such uh05 on Unix or Unix-like systems, object dump and kdump on Linux. Interesting use case for core dump is initialization of the TEC typesetting system. On old computer from the 70s, it took a long time to interpret TEC package macros, and Donald Knuth, the creator of TEC, just developed a mechanism that would core dump the initec program after this interpretation. And then it just needs to undump the core dump by downloading directly to memory and running to execution. By this way, we get the interpreted packages immediately. And the most common use of core dump is to view the debugger failure state, or for example, a frozen state from which we core dumping the application with the control / keystroke or sequit signal. This analysis can be very useful for embedded systems where interactive debugging may not be available. By default, core dump is disabled in most systems, but you can use the ulimit command in bash. This means disabling the core dump, and we may enable it. Also, in Linux, we have system-wide config. Also, in Linux, we have system-wide config, etc security limits conf, in which we may set hard and soft limits for users and groups, including the limits for core dump size.